In HiFEM, linear harmonic acoustic analysis can be done. A newly developed outward wave favoring finite element strategy for exterior acoustic analysis has been implemented in HiFEM. This element is also referred as biased element. For exterior acoustic radiation and scattering problem, this biased element can predict both near field and far field response quite accurately. The effectiveness of this biased element is more evident at higher frequencies. The formulation of this new strategy is described in this paper. We will solve one oscillating sphere problem to demonstrate this new strategy. A sphere of radius a is oscillating in z direction with velocity u0 in air. This is the analytical expression for the pressure distribution. As the problem is axisymmetric, we will do axisymmetric FEM analysis. Hollow spherical mesh. We use 9 node element. Sphere radius a is 1 and we are taking the domain up to radius 5. One important thing for exterior domain problem is that you have to take the truncation surface of the exterior domain as sphere. Now you have to select the problem domain, exterior radiation problem. We will first do conventional analysis. Now on this surface we have to give that velocity boundary condition. We make element set of that surface. Now we will give material properties, boundary condition and loading through create BCD load. Here the properties of air are already there in existing material library. For some other material, user can use this create new button. Now we will solve the problem for wave number 10. For that the omega is 3410, so that k equal to omega by c is 10. Now this is the surface where we will give velocity boundary condition. This velocity can be given as normal to the surface. This option is relevant for pulsating sphere problem. Whereas here we have to give velocity in z direction, we will give the velocity 5. pre-processing is done. Now we will create a folder acoustic in desktop. We will store result files, geometry file and boundary condition file here. By solve, now we have to give the path of that folder. Problem name can be anything. As I am using conventional element, I am giving con. So in that folder you have geometry file, BCD load file and result file. We want to see near field response at r equal to 2 and theta equal to 45 degree at this point, and far field response at r equal to 5. We have to first get the node number of corresponding points. For that, mark volume. Using node, we can get node number through entire volume. For r equal to 2, the node is 73 and corresponding node at r equal to 5 is 85. For theta 45 degree. Here theta is measured from positive z axis. We have noted these two node number. At this is the first column, which is the node number. This is real pressure, this is imaginary pressure. For node 73, the real pressure is minus 508.75, whereas imaginary pressure is minus 757 with conventional formulation. At far field, real pressure is minus 283 and imaginary pressure is minus 16. So both at near field and far field, conventional element result is very far from the analytical result. Now we will solve the same problem using biased element. For that, again we have to go to problem domain. We have to select biased as formulation type. Then we will solve. We can use the same directory and problem name we can give as biased. Let's see the result. So there is this biased result file. At node 73, you can see the result is minus 660 and imaginary pressure is 297, whereas at node 85, real pressure is minus 150 and imaginary pressure is minus 247. So now you can see the analytical column and the biased element column. For both real and imaginary pressure, for both near field and far field, biased element can predict the pressure very accurately. This is all about the oscillating sphere problem in both conventional and biased formulation. Now in HiFEM there is some little bit post processing in acoustic. You can import previously generated result file also. Here you will get imaginary pressure field, real pressure field or the magnitude. Actual problem is full oscillating sphere. You can revolve this solution by any angle. Angle should be given in degree. So you can see this is the 3D variation. You can off the axis also. So we can see in this video that biased element perform far superior than the conventional counterpart for equivalent mesh, and it is more evident at higher frequencies.